Welcome to today's video. If you have ever wanted to customize the way your VIA browser looks on your mobile device, you are in the right place. Today, we will show you how to change the toolbar mode that suits your style. First, open VIA browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-line menu icon. Then, tap on Settings to access the browser configuration options. Inside the Settings page, find and tap on General. After that, find and tap on Toolbar Settings. Next, you will see an option called Toolbar UI Mode. Tap on it to view the different layout options available. Then, choose the mode that best fits your preference. You can select Sandwich, Toolbar at top, Toolbar at bottom, or Two Row Toolbar. Finally, after selecting your preferred toolbar mode, the browser will immediately apply the changes. You can now browse with your newly customized toolbar layout. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.